As a business owner, we know just how much time it takes you to produce graphics for you to use on your social media, your corporate identity, and more. To spend so much time and money on these designs only for them to feel not quite right and not receive the response you were hoping for can be quite disheartening. If you're here, then you understand the value there is in having a consistent brand presence, whether it be online or in person. Some of these amazing benefits of a consistent brand presence include building brand equity and recognition, looking just as professional as the products and services you provide, more engagement and trust in your brand, and lastly, more sales as a result of all of this. If after all your trying and testing, you're starting to feel like you're losing momentum, we want to let you know that it doesn't have to be so difficult and frustrating to get your brand graphics right. That's where the DIY Design Academy comes in. And we're here to help you spend less time creating more designs that actually convert. Invest in the designer who gets your business and future vision. You. Be shown by us how to create show-stopping designs that mesmerize your audience. The DIY Design Academy will help you to understand the key principles of graphic design, how to use Canva as a powerful and easy design tool, how to identify the difference between good and bad design by training your design eye, and each step of the way, you will actually create a deliverable for your very own business, all with the support of us, your teachers, and a community of fellow like-minded entrepreneurs who you can network with. Dom and I actually met on a networking platform. Even though we live in completely different cities, we've developed a fantastic professional relationship that has brought us to where we are now. Besides learning all of these transferable skills that we mentioned, you'll also have the opportunity to meet people who have the same ambitions as you do. We have over 15 years of combined experience as marketing designers, and both of us have our own brand and marketing design agencies, among our other businesses. So we're right in the middle of the industry and are in a great position to help you with your business. We've invested over 600 hours into creating this course for you, testing it with entrepreneurs just like you and developing your exercise and workbook materials. We are so confident in our course providing you with immense value that we are even offering a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not happy with your results after course completion. Wondering how this course will work? This course is a hybrid model between live teaching and self-paced learning that'll take place 100% online via online conferencing platforms and via your very own Modo app. We'll kick off our journey on the 30th of January 2023 with an orientation session where we'll meet your group, get to know each other, and we'll show you how to access your Modo app and set the tone for the course ahead. This way you get all the benefits of live learning and being able to talk to your tutors right away, combined with the benefits of self-paced learning and exercises. Whatever your preferred learning style is, we've got you covered. This course cuts all of the fluff that many other design courses teach you. As a business owner, we know that your time is valuable and limited. That's why we focus on teaching you the exact practical information you need that you can start applying to your business immediately. To attend the course, you're looking at an investment of $600 or 10,000 Rand for our founding DIY designers. Our next course will be going way up, so now is the time to kickstart your new year with skills that will help your business tremendously and give you transferable skills that will support you in many different areas besides your business. Lastly, please note that you will need a Canva Premium account to take part in this course, as well as your own laptop and internet connection. Don't worry, we'll help you get this set up and organized, and you can visit canva.com to learn more about their pricing, which is extremely accessible. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at hello@modocourses.com, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Modian, we are so excited to meet you and help you become your business's very own premium graphic designer. Bye, see you soon.